How many years have you been doing it?
Total like 5.5 on and off. I started doing it full time, and what year was that? I would say maybe fall of 2017, beginning of 2018. And once I started going full time, I just really started to love the autonomy, love the freedom, love the income it was bringing in, and I just like depending on myself. Having a boss or being told what to do that never really suited me. I'm a very disagreeable person, and I found something that works for me. So I won't be such a degenerate or be destructive in the workforce. So just been doing this right now and started a YouTube channel to help people because it's so much bad information out there. People go to how much money do Uber and Lyft drivers make. Then they come across videos, people they'll give it like a week, a couple days, but they're not really grinding. But they try to have an opinion about how much money a driver can make, but they never really grind it, or they wanted to do it just for a video, which I'm not hating, but that's not the truth.
I mean, it really just like varies and depends how much like time and like effort you put into it.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, this is what I've noticed after doing a few years talking to drivers. I used to help a lot of drivers. Transitioning from a 9 to 5 into doing rideshare, a lot of people aren't disciplined. Yeah, and if you work a normal job, you really never had to be disciplined because if you have to be at work at 9 a.m., that means you have to show up at 9 a.m., regardless if you want to or not. But people have no problem doing that. But when it's time to drive, oh, I'm gonna drive at 8 a.m., whatever time they set out for themselves. Once that alarm go up, oh snooze, oh snooze. Then they get out there 2 hours, 3 hours later at a bad time when everybody already at work. So now you coming to drive at lunchtime. Then it's a lot slower. You drive 3 hours and then you go back home. Oh, it's not worth it, or it's too many people out there. But so that's not 100% accurate. It's a lot of behind the scenes that people don't tell you about, and especially about themselves and their disciplines and what they exactly doing. So everybody have a story that they tell themselves, but when it comes down to it, only thing you have to do is say, "Let me see your earnings for the week." And if they drove in 17, 18, 20 hours, it's like you happened.
Yeah, yeah, that's true.